Hello friends, let's begin with part program on CNC turning part 2. In this, we are solving some of the difficult examples on CNC turning. So let's start with simple program. Hope you understand previous programs or examples. Similarly, we are using CNC turning program. Here we included a threading example and grooving example. So let's start on the focus on this part 2. Example. The write a suitable part program. Assume the suitable speed and feed for machining. Blade size is given diameter 60, length is 90, and thread size is given major diameter DO that is 20, minor diameter DC that is 70, and pitch is equal to 2.5 mm. Grooving directions is given, not diameter. For grooving, the width is given as 5 and depth is given as 2.5 mm. So the figure is shown to you. Here also same things are there. What we have to do? We have to do first the machining, that is turning from this layer to this layer. First we have to do machining up to this here. Okay. Then we have to do machining up to this layer. After that we have to do grooving, threading or circular interpolation. These things we can do it. Okay. So let's start with how we are actually working on the threaded component. Okay. So let's understand the example. For that, before going to that, we can do some assumptions which are not mentioned in the given problem. For assumptions, that is a part of solution only. The assumptions are material of workpiece is milestone. The cutting speed will be considered as a 30 meter per minute. And material for cutting tool is HSS, that is high speed steel. Then feed is F revolution, that is 0.05 mm per revolution. And the spindle speed and feed is mm per minute. The shaft diameters are there 60, 40, 20. So there are different shaft diameters are given 60, 40, 20. So we accordingly we have to do the machining. So as that purpose we can calculate the spindle speed. As we know velocity, cutting velocity VC is equal to pi d n by 1000. So if we consider n is equal to 1000 V divided by pi d. So V is already considered, that is cutting speed 30 meter per minute, and pi and diameters already having 60, 40 and 20. So we get a RPM. So for 60, 160 RPM, for 40, 240 RPM, for 20, 478 RPM. So we can do the round figure of all the RPM. And the feed rate is n into f frequency. So f revolution is feed rate per revolution is already given. It is 0.05 mm per minute. So we get a 8, 12 and 24 according to the spindle speed. Okay. So hope understand the speed and feed rate, how we can calculate. So in the exam you can calculate like this. Now we will move to the program description. As we know, we are having same thing, that is we are making into the segregation of all the sequence numbers, G code, X and Z coordinate system, I and K, speed rate, then machine code, spindle speed, and tool change. Okay, so you can do like this, or you can take a n, that is sequence number, then all these parameters you can write in a single line, and then description, because description is very necessary for solving the problem. Okay. Because sometimes you will change the G code on that purpose. So G90 here is absolute program, G71 is metric mode, while G92 is M43S160. So maximum spindle speed clamp or low gear select, spindle speed 160 RPM. So G94 feed rate in mm per minute. G28 U0W0 to go to home position. M06 P0101, that is tool change, tool number 01 with offset number 01. M03 S160 to spindle is on with spindle speed 160 rpm. Up to this N6, N0 to N6, it is a header line or it is the start of the program. Okay. Now we actually doing the rapid positioning and machine. G00X60Z1 M08. So it is a rapid full positioning to 61 and coolant is on condition. So M08 for coolant on. Then we do the stock removal cycle. For stock removal cycle here it is G73 as previously we discussed. So G73 is the stock removal cycle with the incremental depth of 2 mm. So incremental depth is also given, that is a 2 mm with feed rate of 8 and material removed from Z1 to Z minus 55 and diameter reduced to X60 to X40. So X60 to X40 diameter reduced. Here you observe up to Z minus 45 feed rate, finger speed and depth of cut is mentioned. So let's go back and side. If you observe 60 to 42, that means this will come up to here. Okay, paper line is not considered like. So up to here we are removing the part. So this part is removed, or you can directly mention that X40 also, but we can give some tolerance. So for that purpose, that part is removed now. Okay, during the stock removal cycle. G00 X43Z1 again X40 Z minus 45 F12 feed rate is changed, the speed is changed, and depth of cut is changed. Okay. So that is as per the dimension. So first we go to the 42 here and then we move to the 40. Okay, dimension is 42, then we move to the 40. And if you observe that 20 plus 5 plus 10, that is 30 plus 5, 35 plus 10, 45. So there is minus 45. 40 to 40. So up to this particular point we do the machining and with the depth of feed rate we change. We are taking the this, okay, for finish cut. So this is for rough cut, this is for finish cut. Next, G01 X60 Z65 F 0.25 S is 240. That is linear interpolation cutting from 40 minus 45 to 60 minus 65. So if you observe that now we are moving from this end to this end. Okay. So 40 45. So 40 45. Okay. And we move from this to 60 65. Okay. So diameter will become 60 and length will become 65. Okay. So now remove the taper turning. Okay. Taper turning is started. After taper turning, what is done? The G00X42Z1 M08 rapid positioning to the front face. Coolant on. Then G73X22 Z minus 25 feed rate is 24. Then S478 D2. So it is again a stock removal cycle. Increment depth of cut 2 mm and feed rate is 16 and material removed from Z1 to Z minus 25 and the diameter reduced to X42 to X22. So now what is happened? It is a rough cut is given and we are removed up to where dimension is up to minus 25. Okay, so there is minus 25, X is 22. So up to here. So minus 25, that means up to here we are done the machining. Okay, that is we removed this part. Okay, up to 20, 22 we are consider and 20 to 25 we are remove the material. Okay, so now stock also remove. So after that removal of stock, what is that? Again, it's go to rapid position to 23.1 and G73X20 Z minus 25. Feed rate is 24 S 470 D 0.25. It is a stock removal cycle for 0.25 mm depth and how many depths are there? 2 mm material is still remaining from 22 to 20. So that 0.25, 0.24 finish step will be there. Okay. Then G02 X40 Z minus 35 I10 K0 F 0.25. Clockwise interpolation, circular clockwise. It is cutting from X20 to X40 and Z minus 25 to minus 35. We always put the final dimensions here, okay, not front. So final dimension is X40 and Z minus 35 with radius of 10. So here I is 10, the value is considered 0. Okay. So here that is the center part we have to understand. So if you go back and side, what we are doing circular interpolation from this. So I and K is measured here. K value is 0, only I value, that is the radius is considered. Okay, from here. Now next G00 X 40Z1, so rapid tool positioning to 41, M06 T02 01, tool change for grooving tool. Now grooving tool is changed and tool number 2 with the offset number 1. So X40Z minus 20, so rapid positioning to 40 minus 20, X10 Z minus 25 F34, so linear interpolation with grooving tool and cutting from 40 to minus 20 to 10 minus 20. Okay, so in grooving tool, we are doing only linear interpolation, but tool is used. So it can give very less bit rate. It can having a very good strength, so it will insert the particular object. So now we are doing the grooving from here. Okay. So grooving G00 X2201 again rapid position to 20 to 1, M06 T0301 tool change shade cutting to tool number 3 with offset number 1. G00 X20Z0 rapid tool positioning 20. Now we are moving to threading cycle. Okay. After the grooving, we use the grooving tool. We use G01 for grooving because it is again linear population only in perpendicular direction. Okay, or you can use some different grooving example of grooving cycle. It depends on you. Okay, so threading. Now we are moving to the threading part on this outer surface. So for that purpose, they are having G78 X 16.93 Z minus 20 I0 K 1.534 and F 0.25 D1 A60. So how these values are coming, I will let you know. In threading cycle with a minor metric thread, there is a diameter DC is T minus 2h. That is, this is the minor thread diameter. It is D minus 2h. So D value is capital D, that is major diameter. So that is also given, and height of thread is 0.613143 P. So pitch diameter is considered. Pitch is given 2.5 mm. H is given 1.5333575 mm, and also DC will be 16.93. So DC will become DC. Depth of cut is considered 1 and included angle A is 60. So these are the for particular threaded angle 60, these values are considered, and accordingly the I and K values are mentioned here, and the threading will be done. Okay, again after threading it will go to rapid positioning 2201 and rapid tool positioning to 01. Then go to home position, spindle off, coolant off, program end type and rewind. These are the end of the program. Okay. So after threading cycle, it is a machining cycle. So this is the main part program, or it's the body of the program, and last one is the end of it. Thank you so much. Hope you understand.